In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor in Odoo Purchase. We'll start from the Odoo home screen. First, select your database, and once you're in, go to the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing the different apps and features available in Odoo. From the main dashboard, open the Purchase app. As soon as the Purchase page appears, move to the top menu and click on Orders. From there, select Vendors. This will take you to the Vendors page, where you can view existing vendor records and create new ones. To add a new vendor, click the New button. The vendor maintenance page will load, and this is where you'll enter the vendor's information. You can populate as many fields as you need right away, but keep in mind that not every field has to be completed immediately. Odoo allows you to save the record first and return later to update or complete the remaining details. Begin by typing the vendor name. After that, select the company employer if applicable. You can then add the email address if needed, followed by the phone number if you want to include it. Since contact details may vary depending on your process, it's fine to only fill in the information you currently have. Next, choose whether the vendor is an individual or a corporation. This helps classify the vendor properly and can make records easier to organize later. After that, enter the address details, such as street, city, country, and any other available location information. Then fill in the tax ID field. You'll also see a branch code field. This is typically used when a vendor has a specific branch identifier, which can be helpful for tracking transactions accurately when dealing with businesses that operate across multiple branches or locations. Continue by entering the job position if relevant, then add the website if the vendor has one. You can also add or select tags to help categorize the vendor. Tags are useful for filtering and quickly identifying vendors based on your internal naming or grouping system. Below the main information area, you'll find 4 tabs. These tabs are there to organize additional vendor-related details, making the record more manageable and easier to review. Depending on your workflow, you can use these sections to store more specific information as needed. Once everything is entered, take a moment to review the changes you made. This is a good habit to avoid errors and make sure the key details are correct before saving. When you're ready, click the Save button. After saving, go back to the vendors page and you'll see that the new vendor has been added successfully. And that's it. You now know how to create a vendor in Odoo Purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.